Hey, what's up everybody? About to start fixing this MacBook a2337. I'm going to replace the screen on this. Simple damage can ruin the whole screen. Alright, got the new screen here. OEM screen. About to get that off. Alright, got all the screws off. These are all the screws from the bottom. I used a P5 star 1.2 bit. Now once you're inside, I have to remove these and I believe all this stuff right here and these right here, and remove this. There's a few things I have to remove. Okay, I'm gonna remove that and then I'll record after. Alright. Okay, so I forgot to mention, this piece goes right here. Literally sits there, but it's glued. So I had to pull that off first. You might feel like it's not coming off, but yeah, it's definitely it needs to come off to install the screen. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. Once you get that off, this comes off. Now I just gotta remove these last screws and I can pull off the old screen, install the new screen. Alright, got the new screen installed already. I kind of forgot to record and show how I remove it, but technically what I do is bring it to the edge of my desk and I open up the display all the way to the max where the hinges stop, and then I kind of like finesse the hinges out from where the bracket is. And with the new display, I also open up the hinges all the way to the max, and then you have to be very careful and get them into the right place. Once you got it in, you put in one screw at a time on each side, and then don't tighten them up all the way. Almost tighten up all the way, just a little bit of wiggle room, and then I close the lid, and then you torque them to the tightest that you can. Well, not too tight, of course, you don't want to break anything, but you know what I mean. And now you start doing everything in reverse. Okay, got all the screws back in, got everything connected, got the battery connected again. That was one thing I forgot to mention. You have to unplug the battery before you start unplugging and removing anything. Now I just gotta put the top back on, the bottom cover back on, put the screws back, and test. Alright, success. Got the screen on and looks good. MacBook Air a2337 screen repair. Need a repair like this, feel free to give me a call. This is my contact information. All Tech Repair Specialist. Thank you, everybody.